Step 1. Log in the software with initial account and password, then enter a page without any rooms. Step 2. Register. Send the machine code to the seller, and return a register code. Enter the register code here, and click Register. Step 3. Create hotel buildings. Give name and numbers to the buildings. Step 4. Create hotel floors. Give floor numbers and names. Here should create the maximum floor number. Step 5. Create room types. Here I show 3 room types: VIP room, standard room, dormitory room. But you can add our rate room or others. Step 6. How to create room numbers. Here I will show 2 different methods. Input floor number in prefix column. Serial number is the room number. Length depends on how long the serial number you need. Filter number means which number you do not want, and following choose building and floor and room type. By this method, you can make normal rooms. Here VIP room is 1 bedroom and standard room is double bedroom. We just need to give numbers to the rooms. But how to make dormitory rooms, in which guests are coming from different places in different time. We should input room number and bed number together in the serial number column. Here 101 to 106. The first one means this is the first dormitory room in this floor. 01 to 06 means there are 6 beds in this room. So, finally the number 1101 to 1106 actually are bed numbers. By this method, the room lock can accept these 6 guests' cards. Of course, this room lock is different from normal room locks. Please inform the seller if you have this type room. Now continue to add other dormitory rooms in floor 1. The second room has 6 beds, and the third room has 10 beds. Step 7. Add user's account, and give them different authorities according to their job contents. It is better that each staff have their own accounts, then the operating person will be very clear when you want to check who did the things. And level authorities is good for management. Step 8. Choose the right system according to your lock. If you use QR lock, please choose QR MyFair1. If you use RF card lock, please choose Temix/MyFair1. Step 9. Setting cards are used to setting room locks. Authorization card is for giving the permission to do any operation on the lock. Room number setting card is for changing room number. Time setting card is for changing the lock time. Group number setting card is for making several rooms in a group. The maximum group number is 999. Step 10. Staff cards are the cards for staff use. Building card can open all locks in this building. Floor card can open all lock in this floor. Master card can open all locks in this hotel. Emergency card can make locks open without card. Group member card can open all locks in the group. Record card can collect opening history from the lock. Checkout card can disable the guest card. and Limite card can disable all cards including guest cards and staff cards. Just query and choose the card you want to Limite, and issue Limite card, and swipe this card to the lock. Step 11. There are 6 room status. Please remember their colors. When a guest comes, you should choose a room as his requirement. Double-click the room, fill the blue columns and choose guest stay time, and then click Save to issue the guest card. Step 12. When the guest wants to change your room, choose his room first, and click Change Room button, and choose New Room Number, and then click OK and issue card again. Step 13. How to check the card information. Put the card on card reader, and click Read Card button. Then you will get a page with card detail information. Step 14. When the guests check out, there are 2 methods. First, if the guest return the room card, put TH card on card reader, click Checkout button, and click OK. Second, if guests check out without returning the card, then click Checkout and then OK directly. Step 15. When you want to change the room status, just right-click the room to change. Step 16. Reports function is for checking issued card history and opening lock history. Step 17. Data function is for backup and clear data. The above are the basic functions for Q16.